In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start trading with Ctrader. First, open the Ctrader web platform and log in with your broker credentials. If this is your first time, take a moment to let the layout load and familiarize yourself with the workspace. You'll see charts in the center, market lists on the left, and your positions and orders near the bottom. Make sure your connection status is green so you know you're live and synced. Next, choose the right account. Most brokers offer a demo account for practice and a live account for real trading. For your first run-through, a demo is the safest place to learn the interface with zero risk. Confirm the account type and leverage, and check your balance and margin settings so you understand how much you can trade. On the left sidebar, open watch lists. You can use the default lists or create your own. Use the search bar to find symbols like major forex pairs, indices, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, depending on what your broker supports. Add favorites to keep them handy and glance at the bid and ask prices to understand the current spread. Double-click a symbol to open its chart. Adjust the time frame at the top from 1 minute up to daily or weekly, depending on your trading style. You can add indicators, draw trend lines, and switch between candlestick and line charts. The goal is to get a clear, comfortable view before you place any order. On the chart, you'll see buy and sell buttons. Buy means you expect price to rise. Sell means you expect it to fall. If you prefer to enter a specific price later, switch to a pending order instead of a market order. Now, place your first trade. Choose your volume or lot size carefully, keeping risk small while you learn. Set a stop loss to cap potential losses and a take profit to automatically secure gains. You can type exact prices, use pips, or drag the lines on the chart for precision. When everything looks right, confirm the order and watch it appear in your positions panel. Monitor and manage the trade from the bottom panel. You'll see real-time profit and loss, used margin, and distance to your stop and target. You can modify stop loss and take profit by editing the ticket or by dragging lines on the chart. If available, consider a trailing stop to lock in profits as price moves in your favor. When you're ready to close a trade, click the close button on the position or close it directly from the chart. You can also partially close by reducing volume. Afterward, review the History tab to learn from the outcome and refine your approach.